No kidney patient will ever lose a kidney again. Watch this. We spend so much time worrying about our hearts and minds, but our kidneys are the unsung heroes, tirelessly filtering waste and toxins from our blood. They're absolutely essential for a fabulous life. We can't just ignore these vital organs. They need our love and attention. And the best way to do that is through a healthy lifestyle, especially a diet rich in fruits and veggies. Our kidneys are like our very own internal cleaning crew. They work 24/7, filtering out waste products and excess fluids, keeping our blood balanced and our bodies happy. But just like any hardworking crew, they need the right fuel to function at their best. That's where fabulous fruits and vegetables come in. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your kidneys from damage and keep them functioning like a well-oiled machine. Now let's talk about some of my favorite fruits for kidney health. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your kidneys in filtering out toxins and maintaining overall health. First up, we have the berrylicious blueberries. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants, which help fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your kidneys. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and fiber, making them a perfect snack for boosting your immune system and aiding digestion. Next, we have the always chic cranberries. These tart treats are known for their ability to help prevent urinary tract infections, which can sometimes lead to kidney problems. Cranberries are also high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and manganese, which contribute to overall kidney health. And of course, no fabulous fruit list would be complete without the queen of hydration herself, watermelon. This juicy delight is packed with water and electrolytes, helping to flush out toxins and keep your kidneys happy. Watermelon is also a great source of vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as lycopene, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing treat, reach for a slice of watermelon and give your kidneys a boost. Section 4. Veggies that'll make your kidneys sing. Now on to the veggies. These vibrant and nutritious vegetables are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your kidneys. Let's start with the ever so versatile cauliflower. This cruciferous wonder is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Cauliflower is packed with vitamin C and fiber, both of which are essential for kidney health. The fiber helps in digestion, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant. Next, we have the always reliable red bell pepper. These vibrant beauties are not just eye-catching, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Red bell peppers are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, making them a great choice for those with kidney issues. They also contain vitamins A, C, and B6, which support overall health. And last but not least, let's not forget the humble cabbage. This leafy green might seem simple, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Cabbage is a good source of vitamin K and fiber, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidney function. Additionally, it contains phytochemicals that help break down free radicals, protecting your kidneys from damage. Section 5. Cheers to healthy kidneys. Our kidneys are vital organs that work tirelessly to filter out toxins and waste from our blood, keeping our bodies in balance and functioning smoothly. So there you have it. It's not just about drinking enough water, but also about nourishing your body with the right foods. A few simple additions to your diet can make a world of difference for your kidneys. Think of it as giving your kidneys a little extra love and care. Remember, a little effort goes a long way when it comes to keeping those filtering machines in tip-top shape. By incorporating these fabulous fruits and veggies into your daily routine, you can give your kidneys the love and support they deserve. Foods like berries, apples, and leafy greens are particularly beneficial, so go forth and embrace a healthier, happier you. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and looking after your kidneys is absolutely essential for a long and fabulous life. Regular exercise, staying hydrated, and eating a balanced diet are key steps in maintaining kidney health. Cheers to a vibrant and healthy future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys.